What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And tonight we are going to watch the Bitcoin weekly close as it happens right now. Just like I said, we're going to. And unfortunately, it looks like we are getting a pushback. The bears and the bulls, this is the basically last hour that they have to put their dominance on. So it looks like the bears are actually doing a little bit better now. So let me share my screen with you and let you can see what I'm talking about. We're just going to get right into this because it's basically only 12 minutes left until the close. So we want to see exactly, where this is going to end. We could get a nice push up before the close, but it looks like the bears have actually pushed us down again to 36,009. And now we are below the freaking EMA 9. And it just irritates me. It's like the bears give up at the first sign of or the bulls give up at the first sign of a struggle. It's like, dude, we had the level. We were bullish on the 1 hour. All of the moving averages ended up pushing us above. We're bullish on the 4 hour. We just became bullish and things were starting to look good. We're above all those. And then boom, all of a sudden now we're below all the 4 hours. It's just irritating. We've basically been above these levels for a long time. This is when I like to take a little bit of a break from Bitcoin. Now it's hard for me to do that making videos every day. But right now I'm not going to be buying or selling when it's doing this idiotic stuff. And to me, this is idiotic. And this is why when mass adoption happens, it ends up just kind of ruining it a little bit. But that's only for the short term. I think we will get out of this kind of garbage scenario that we're in where we just keep losing ground over and over. It's like the bears are, we allowed too many high level bears into crypto. And how did that happen? Well, the Fed, the ETF, right? Not the Fed, but the ETF. The Bitcoin ETFs actually was a bullet that we shot into our own foot. Now, why do I say that? Because now there's too many shorters in the market. Now, everybody is trying to make money from Bitcoin going down instead of the normal way when you want to make money with Bitcoin going up. That's how you would normally trade Bitcoin is you buy at a low price and sell it at a high. Well, everybody else is just saying, hey, it's 37. I want to see it go down to 33, and I'm going to leverage trade a short to make sure that it does that. And then you have what happens here, and we get the price pushed down because of the greed. And there is no more greed than there is in shorting a commodity. Those are the greediest people in the world. The ones that short things, they're negative. Now, I don't like being even in groups with people who short because they're super negative. They want everything in the world to just crumble and go to nothing. And their whole goal is to push the market down and cost everybody tons of money. That is how they make their money. So this is why I get irritated when the bulls give up. When we clearly had the lead. We clearly had control for the last 2 days, but when it comes down to it with 9 minutes left, the bulls gave up. This is what I don't like about the bulls. It's like they're little, I wouldn't even say girls because girls are strong. I would say they're little children or something. Like I don't want to say it's just like they're idiots for real. Like you give up at the first sign of pressure. You'll never be a diamond when that happens because when pressure happens, you should get through it. You should push through that. That's what makes a diamond, right? Now, too much pressure in it will crumble, right? Not enough pressure, you'll still be cold. So, but I don't like it every single time it seems like the bulls give up. Or they do it on purpose, or they're working with the bears. They're like, okay, bears, you get this one. But why? I never understood the conceding. It's like there are no more Bitcoin bulls anymore, like not enough. Because if we would have just closed above, that's all we had to do, guys, is close above this EMA 9 in 8 minutes. Come on, bulls, where are you at? You can't raise the price in $800 in 8 minutes. That's only $100 a minute that you have to raise the price. But I was actually even hoping we'd get above this EMA 21 at 39,409 because we actually broke out of this inverse head and shoulders. No volume. What did it do? It just went back. It's like the whole market is trying to short the crap out of Bitcoin right now. I'm telling you, that's what's happening. It's a market-wide consensus. Let's short the crap out of Bitcoin right now. Let's just make it volatile. And they think it's going to prolong the market. They're trying to get rid of the 3-year bear market, guys. That's why this is happening. And yes, it takes a lot of manipulation to the downside. And what they're doing is they're stopping the end of the market by pushing these levels down. When they see this, and this is the only reason why this is happening, it's because they're short squeezers and they're trying to prolong this bull market. And how they do that, they just push the price down over and over and over and over again. And then you never really get the end of the bull market. We're going to keep going up. After all of this downward pressure stops, we're not going to 20K right now, guys, period. Okay, I'm done hearing that stuff. We are not going to 20K. The end of the bull market is not here, period. So all of that stuff saying that, oh, it's going to end, it's over. Well, we wouldn't have went back up to 38. We wouldn't have tested 40 again, but it just, the bulls give up too easily. But I think it's strategic. Now, why would the bulls give up when they had a clear advantage? When they were bullish on the daily or on the hour, they were bullish on the 4-hour, and then they just give up ground. See, if I had money, I would stop this right now. Like I would already know how to move the market a little bit, at least $800 up. You're telling me out of all the Bitcoin bulls out there right now, we can't get them to raise the price by $800. That's all it has to rise, $800, and we close above that EMA 9. That's it. But for some reason, the bulls don't care enough, I guess. They just don't. We're undersold. Look at that. We are undersold. We are at 33.70. We're barely above oversold. So why is the price going down? This is manipulation, guys. We are so undersold, it's ridiculous. Like, everybody should really be buying as much Bitcoin as they can get their hands on right now. Because every time at these levels, look where we go afterwards. See this? We are in the same exact place that we were before, even more. We have been sitting at this. Look at how low that level is. I kind of want to get that zoom thing out of the way, but if you can look there, and I can't show you on the thing because that stupid zoom thing is right there. Here, let me actually move this to the up. There we go. Stupid zoom thing wouldn't get out of my way. But I want to show you this right here. Okay, we are all the way down to 21.20. I mean, we are so undersold that it's ridiculous. Like, there is so much buying pressure at this point. It is ridiculous. And we are basically at that point again. We're at 33 right now. Just way undersold. That's why it doesn't look. We open at 37.9, really nice. Then we go up about $60 and then just closed. We just break down. Just, okay, when it matters, we give up. That's what I don't like about this. Like, when it matters, they just gave up. I'm just super disappointed in a lot of stuff in crypto right now. I'm kind of tired of the whole thing, I'm just tired of all of the weak people. There's just so many weak people. It's very disheartening when you look at it that way. Because technically everything says we should be going up right now, except it doesn't happen. So all of everything was starting to get bullish. From the 1 hour, we're above all the moving averages. Now we're not. We're below all of them now. Oh, even on the 1 hour now, we are below everything. 1 hour, 4 hour, garbage. So this isn't going to be a very long video because I didn't know that it was going to be this garbage for real. This is not what we want from a weekly close. This is not going to be a good thing for the coming week. I was hoping that we'd finally be out of this. We were moving from the 1 hour to the 4 hour. And then when it came to the daily, we were actually above the E9 on the freaking daily too. And we were actually almost getting to the point where we were going to go up and touch that EMA 21 and possibly close above it. Does that happen? No. Should it have happened? Yes. Did all the signs point to that would happen? Yes. It just irritates me. And this is why I like to take a break from crypto sometimes. Because right now I'm just so frustrated with the garbage that's going on in crypto right now. Honestly, if this is the crypto that I first got involved with, I would not have got involved with it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Like, how can I, in good conscience, tell people to go buy crypto when I don't even know if I would do it at this point myself if I was just getting in the market? Like, for real, it's not the same crypto that it was when I got in. Things were so much easier to tell where the market was going. Now that you have all of these billionaires in here and all these people that want the price to go down, I can't predict it anymore. Not the way that I used to. If you used to watch my videos, I would basically predict every single time that Bitcoin would move. Every correction, every peak, I would get them spot on every time. Well, what happened? This is what happened right here. This market right here. From May of 2021 to July of 2021, everything changed in crypto. Everything changed. They manipulated the price down. This was all Elon Musk saying, hey, the market is oversold. So if you remember, this is why I have these lines up here, because this is the way the market should have went. Have a correction probably right to about there. And then down back to 20,000. That's the way the market should have played out. This was what the market should have done. It should have had those swing high, swing low, swing high, but not this forced, prolonged 2.5 month bear market within a bull market. They did that on purpose. This was not supposed to happen. This was an organized dump. This is when everything changed with Bitcoin. Everything. This is where the new cycles, lengthening cycles comes from. This is where, the prolonged bull market comes from. Now we're going to have short bear markets. They didn't want 3-year bear markets anymore. And what they do, they basically poop on all of us and make us lose tons of money, and then they do it over and over again. And even when we're supposed to break out to these good levels, 5 o'clock, we just closed below, and as you see, detrimental. We are below everything on every single chart again. Now we start over from nothing. Now Bitcoin is in a bearish movement again. Even though we're undersold. This is what doesn't make sense to me. We're having this whole market say that Bitcoin's going down. Everything looks bad, but yet everything looks like it should be bought. Everything looks like it should go up. We should not be doing this right now. This is why I'm really sick of the market manipulation, guys. I mean, I can't even see how many people are on right now. I might actually be talking to myself, but I just don't understand this, and it pisses me off. Like, really pisses me off. Look at this. All, back here when we're under these, averages or above them, it seems okay, right? But this just doesn't make sense. How we go from being above on the 1 hour and the 4 hour and even the freaking daily EMA 9 only to break down on all of those supports. So you're telling, this is what had to have happened. Let's go and look, guys. What had to have happened for us to get to this stupid place that we're at right now? I'm not bearish. I'm actually bullish. Bitcoin is going to still go, but these idiots that are in the market now have ruined it for us. The stupid Bitcoin ETFs that we wanted was the worst thing that ever happened to Bitcoin, ever. You let money in that should not be in Bitcoin. You let money in that is going to manipulate Bitcoin. Why do you think the government allowed for future ETFs and not a spot ETF? Why? Because they want to push the price down. They want to take your money. They don't want you to succeed. They wanted you to put all your money in the stimulus, in the crypto, only to dump it now and take all of your money. They want that stimulus money back. They want the Bitcoin money back. So what they do is they take a short out, they buy a bunch of Bitcoin, sell it, dump the market, even when we move above all of the moving averages. If you go back and you look yesterday, I'm pissed, guys. I am freaking mad, dude. I am seething mad right now. And it isn't because of any one particular thing. It's, I can't narrow it down to one thing. I'm just pissed off at Bitcoin right now. This should not be the case. We're going to go in and look at Ethereum too, because I want to see where that closed. And inverse head and shoulders didn't play out. fake out. You know, it didn't have any volume, even though we have a nice, good inverse shoulders breakout right here. But nope, it didn't break out and it took too long. Whatever, who cares? We were still above all of the moving averages. Still was looking good. So what the frick happened, huh? I mean, how do you go from really doing good to just getting wrecked all in 1 second? Well, obviously it had to break down each one of these. And as you see, this gigantic wick right here that brought us all the way back down to here. No, where were the bulls right here in the EMA 9? Where were the bulls in the EMA 21? Where were the bulls in the EMA 50? So you just let all of that support slip through your fingers to the downside? That's what really makes me mad. And then the 4 hour, look, we were above on all of them. Every single freaking one. So how do we go from being above all of these support levels? This was support. We went to 38.5, 39 almost. This was support, all of it. Support, the EMA 9, broke. Support, EMA 21, broke. Support, EMA 50, broke. How do you break six? I mean, no, you have the 9, the 21, the 50, the 100, the 200. So 5, 10. It broke 11 levels of support. 11 levels of support. But it couldn't break one level of resistance? Dude, there's too much manipulation in Bitcoin, man. I didn't think it could do that. I didn't think they could do this that much. There is. When you see all these supports broke like butter, that manipulation. Support doesn't break like that. That's why it's called support. Because if one breaks, the other supports you. That's the way crypto works. Not like this. We are undersold, but yet we break support to the downside. Luckily, I'm not trading right now. You don't trade like this. If I was in this mood, I would never trade. Never. If you're ever in the mood like this and you're just pissed off at Bitcoin, do not trade. Put your phone down. Actually, my phone died. I'm glad, or it's going to die. Oh, it's still alive. 13% juice. But yeah, I just want my phone to die at points like this because I'm not buying crypto. None of it. Right now, I wish I could walk away for a week or two. Like, that's what I need. I need some time away from Bitcoin. I'm just sick of this. We're undersold this whole time, but yet we lose our support, guys. Get out of here with that. Evil people and their stupid. I mean, I really thought crypto was going to change my life, but sometimes I wonder about that because, like, yeah, the way crypto was in 2020, that would change my life. The way crypto is now, I don't know, man. I don't see any positivity with crypto anymore. You know, I do with ICP. They're doing good stuff. Maybe some of the other like I love Bitcoin, but I absolutely will not stand for all of our support being smashed through like butter. Dude, that's not how support works. Support, you go through each level and you have to break each one. And it did it without any, it just went through all of them like nothing, right straight down through all of them like there was no support there. Like we didn't just go to 39,000 and hold it for a couple days. Like we didn't just pass over all the 1 hour, all the 4 hour, and the 9 on the daily, and almost the 21 on the daily too. So let's go look at Ethereum and see if this is being manipulated quite as much. And it is 33.7 in the RSI, yet the price is going down. It just makes me sick, man. It really does. Yeah, I would never tell anybody to buy crypto in this garbage market right now, but that's the thing. In the short term, guys, no. There are zero short-term trades right now. I don't care if everybody says you can always find a short-term trade. Well, you can. You're going to lose money right now, though. 95% you're going to lose money. Guarantee that. But if you're for the long term, yeah, that's the only way I could ever see buying Ethereum at $2,500 is long term. because it's either going to go way down from here or way up from here. This $2,500 level is just garbage. And it can obviously, at this level, they can slice through support like it's nothing. The bears have control right now. When they can go and just burn through all of your support levels like they actually don't matter, that is how you know there's manipulation in the market and how you know that you're screwed. We let too many people in. All of this, we're like, yeah, let's get that extra money in the market. Let's get those extra people in the market. Well, this is what happens when you get those extra people in the market. And they just want to short it. They want to take all of your money now. They want you to buy Bitcoin at 5,000 and sell it for 2,500. That's what they want. And they're going to do everything in their power to do that. I mean, it's despicable, but it is what we created. Every single one of you did this. And me, I guess I'm part of it too. Well, every single one of us did this. We did it to ourselves. We kept begging for ETFs. We kept asking for it. We don't want ETFs. We do not want Bitcoin ETFs, guys. I'm telling you, that was the biggest mistake we ever made. We should have actually fought against those as hard as we could have, because that's when the short money comes in. That's right? That's why this happened, is because we let the short money in. You got to really be careful with the money you let into crypto. There's long money, there's short money, and then there's investor money, right? And now we have that long and short money fighting. And I'm an investor. I don't long and I don't short. So I'm in the middle getting whacked by these guys back and forth. It doesn't feel good to be in the middle, I'm telling you, because you're getting slammed on either side. So it doesn't feel good to constantly. I'm not worried about the long term of Bitcoin, guys. Like, I'm not giving you FUD right now. Like, we're good for the future. But unfortunately, we are going to have to sit through another, I don't know, probably the 19th is when we're going to move on of February. So let's, did I save that? Let's save that real quick. Okay. And let's go look at the calendar, because okay, we are the 30th right now. Okay, the 30th, January 30th. Why does it go to 31 when I put it on 30? Okay, 30. That's supposedly today. Okay. Well, if we were supposed to be 13 days. Okay, anyway, I don't know. I'm going to have to do the math again. Oh, this is Ethereum. That's why. Duh. Hold on. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a second. Sorry, Ethereum people. I know you're probably wanting to hear about this, and I will get to it in a minute. But I kind of want to show you this pattern that we have, and we got to figure out how much longer we have. And I thought I already did this before, but okay. So we have 80 days from the top to here. Hold on. Okay, I need to do this again. So we're at like 64.9 on April 12th. It wasn't April 12th. It was, gosh dang it. Hold on. April 14th. Okay, April 14th. That's where we need to go. Sorry, I just had to make sure of that. 64.5. And then all the way to the end, July 21st, right? Yeah. So that's 98 days. Is that really from top to bottom? 98 days. Okay, 98 days. Now I need to go over here. Oh, great, it's not going to let me go up, and I have to touch this, and it's going to erase the other one now. I love it. It's like this thing is so messed up that I have to move it on either side or I can't do what I want to do. And then when I move it, oh, I love it when things just like to hassle me, give me a hard time and stuff. I love it. Okay, there we go. 98 days. 98 days. See, look how easy that one was. Why is this one got to be so hard? All right, and then we go up here, 69 on November 10th. That's the day we want, November 10th. Okay, there we go. And then we got to go 90 days. Wait, how much was it? 98 days, right? $98 days. And we're at like 31 or 36,716, right? Yeah, kind of right there. So one more day, 55%. Whoops. All right, that's where we should go. 31,237, 98 days. So February 16th is the day, even with all this garbage, and I'm thinking that's probably what's going to happen with everything, we are going to be looking for a $31,000. Yeah, I still think we're going to go back and touch this because we were not able to do everything. The Bears have control. They can basically do whatever they want. They just proved it. The EMAs don't even matter to the Bears. They're like so super strong. It doesn't matter to them anymore what we do. So they can just do kind of whatever they want to do. So I would definitely be looking for a blast off around February 16th. And so what I'm going to do is I'm not really doing a whole lot in the market until then. I'm going to accumulate at anything under 40,000 on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to wait for right before this. And I think I might even put a long in on that day. I really do. I really think that this is going to happen almost the same exact way, even though this one is way further just kind of downtrending. And this one, you know, had a clear bottom where it stopped. And we had that once here, but it broke down again. So this is just a crappy reversal that we're having, but it's still like a normal one. Now, why this one is so violent, this is meant to shake all of the strong hands out. So, this was to shake the weak hands out, the first one, and maybe even the medium, and then this is to shake everybody else. Look how the difference is. This was kind of if you shake a tree, it's a little bit, but this one broke the tree. I mean, it shook the tree so violently that the tree broke. So yeah, 98 bars, 54% down. We're not going farther than that. What, you think Bitcoin's gonna go? All right, let's just say you guys are right. We're going to 10K, okay? Let's just say for an instance that you guys are not the absolute stupidest people in the world. I don't mean you're stupid. I just mean that's a stupid thought. If you really think we're going to 10K, this is what that would entail, just to show you why I think that's absolutely freaking bonkers. Okay, let's go to 10K. Let's do it. Let's see how far that is. You think we're going to drop 85%? You think we're going to drop 85%? Just look at it for a minute. I really hope I'm sharing my screen with you. Hold on. Okay. Had me worried for a minute. I'm like, dude, if I'm doing all this and I'm not showing you, I'm going to be... But yeah, there you have it. If you think we're going from 69,000 all the way down to 10,000, you're looking at an 84.72% retracement. Over a $58,000 loss. You think that's what's going to happen? For real? Guys, come on. You know better. You know better. All right, let's go to Ethereum. I think this probably made my point the best. I should just put this up on Twitter. Be like, you think it's going to 10K? Now, when we have a bear market, this is where Bitcoin is going to go. I'll show you exactly. November 10th, where are you? Okay, right there. 69. Oh, man. This is actually harder than it looks. So November 10th. Now let's go up. Jeez, this is not easy. Okay, whatever. November 10th. Okay, let's go to 20K. 70%. That's what's going to happen in a bear market. When we go to an actual bear market, this is it. This is exactly, we go about 70% down from the top to the bottom in a bear market. So say if we go to about 80K, the lowest that we can really go is about 30K. If we go to 80K, right? So the farther up we go, the less far that we can go down, because then it starts to get to these big numbers that really can't happen. So the lowest that we can really go is 20,000, guys, and that's the previous all-time high. So now let's go kind of do the same thing with Ethereum, because I want to know if there's money to be made at these levels with Ethereum. Like I said, 25 doesn't seem like a good level. So I want to know from Ethereum's top to the bottom where we're sitting. So 48, did we go above again over here? 46, 47, 58, 47, 84. No, we didn't. So I think this was the all-time high right here, 48.68 on November 10th, same day. Yeah, November 10th, 48.68. Yep, that's the highest it is, 48.68 right there. All right, now 48.68. Let's go down. Just come on. Okay, 48.72. November 10th. Oh, come on. I didn't press the ruler. Darn it. Okay, here we go. November 10th. 48. Come on. 72. Oh, well. And let's go to the bottom where we're at. Where did it go? Like 20. 21.79. Okay. So, and then it's got to be like, I just hate how they don't let you see anything. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to see this, but the stupid chart. I hate stupid charts that do that, man. Like, I'm literally trying to do something, and you're not giving me enough room to do it. Why even have, So I'm just in one of those moods tonight, guys. Like, everything, I'm just sick of fighting everything. It's like, dude, what is so hard about doing that? Pretty simple, right? From top to bottom. All right, we're only 55% down on Ethereum. Hold on. Yeah, dude, Ethereum did not fall that far from grace. November 10, 48.72. Okay, then we want to go all the way down to the lowest right here, 21.81. That's a 55% drop. So a little bit more than Bitcoin from the top to the bottom. And as you see, Ethereum actually wicked up to this price again right here. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, and it doesn't even show the wick. It doesn't even show the wick on here. See the high, 39? And that was on December or something. So it's not even going to show this wick. Oh, it's so oh, that isn't a wick. Okay, never mind. That's part of this thing. I thought that was like a scam wick. You see that? Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I think I need to just take a break. Oh, man. But okay, other than that, let's look and see what Ethereum's doing. It's below all the averages. Let's see. Yeah, we're below everything. Yep, for sure on the daily. Now let's go to the 4 hour. There isn't any bullish news now. I was hoping for it, guys. I was really hoping for it. And yeah, we're below everything. Everything. Yep. The 21, the 9, the 50, below it all. Fun. Okay, hour. Oh yeah. We're below everything on the hour too. So no more bullish, guys. It looks like the market is going to do whatever it wants to do, even though it was in a bullish stance and we actually should have kept going to the upside. But it looks like we have until February 16th. So it looks like we're about 17 days away from a reversal. Now, I'm going to be really looking for that day or right around there. It doesn't have to be the exact day. I'm looking anywhere from a week on either side. So if that doesn't happen, then, you know, whatever. But I'm pretty sure that's what we're looking for. It's a cyclical coin. They are not going to be able to hold it down for much longer. I think they're reaching too far. I think they're overextended right now. I think this is all going to blow over, but it's going to take a while. When they manipulate the market, they don't like to let go. They put a lot of money into manipulating the market. When you and I hear manipulating the market, we think, oh, they're just stealing people's money. Well, no, what they're doing is they're just investing a lot of money against your trade, probably. Like, you want it to go up and they're trading, say it's going to go down, and they're earning a lot of money making your crypto go down, making you lose money. So that's the only problem. I don't like those people. I just wish there was no shorting the market. If we could get rid of shorting the market, then I don't think it could survive. I don't know if it could survive without shorts. So I don't know. Like, this system that we have, we don't have another option. There isn't another. That's why crypto is so good, because then there's another monetary option, right? So when it comes to the stock market and everything, there's no really other option. So you have to kind of go with what is there, you know? And so you get manipulation because everybody has a different goal. Like 50% of the people want the price to go down, 50% of the people want the price to go up, and, you know, or let's say 40, and then 20% just want everything to go away because they're just morbid. I don't know. But yeah, everything's looking super bearish. I'm not bearish though. I'm still bullish, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's look at the fear and greed index. No, it's not 29. That was yesterday. Oh! From 29 to 20 in one day. Why? People are scared of February, I think. I think that's, it's got to be, guys, what other reason? I mean, is there news that I missed today? I don't think so. It's probably not. It's Sunday. So all I'm thinking is that people are scared of February. A lot of people are taking the money out of the market because February is normally a dump month, right? We're at 20, extreme fear. Earlier, we were just at fear, 29. We are so close on the cusp to start moving into the greed, moving in with the market. This is why I'm so pissed. And all that work we just did now gets wrecked in one day by whatever and whoever. So those are the things that we have to deal with in crypto. And this is the time you just sit back, guys. It's a waiting game. It moves the money from the impatient to the patient. The stock market and crypto both do that. So that's the problem. That's also a good thing, though, because they will get tired. And there are a lot more bulls than there are bears, I'm telling you. Even though the bears might have a lot of money and a lot of influence, the bulls are here to stay. Now, the bears are here to stay too because there's money, but I think the bulls will outlast them. I really think that that's the way the market is heading. I really am happy that I did this video. I am. Like, I feel good about it, even though, like, I normally don't like any negative video, but I think this was not negative. I think everything that I said in this video needed to be said, and I think I did it in a positive way. Even though we're in a negative situation, I tried to showcase what is happening and my feelings about it, because it affects me, and I know it affects you as well. So if I'm feeling this way, a lot of you guys are feeling the same way. What happened? We were just super bullish yesterday. Everything was saying we're going to go up, and they have the same TA we do, and they saw that. They saw we were good on the 1 hour. We were good on the 4 hour. We were starting to get good on the daily. And what did the bulls do? They give up. They let the bears come in and just smash all those levels. I mean, it took us a long time to get over those levels. Remember, I was doing a video? Yes, we're above the 1 hour. Next, we got to go over the 4 hour. That's the next step to turn bullish. Then we get over the 4 hour. Yes, the next step is get over the EMA 9 on the daily. We got over that. Yes. And then I come look at today, and all of that work is gone. All of those knocking the glass ceiling out, just going and taking it, breaking back up, changing the game. Man, it sucks when you lose, when that happens. I mean, we gave it everything, bulls. We did. Like, I don't care. I'm proud of the bulls. I don't care. I don't think they gave up. I think it was a long fight. I think we broke each level. And when all those levels get broken, when we have to fight our way, it's like a staircase, right? So it's a staircase on the way up, but it's a slide on the way down. So it takes a lot of energy and a lot of movement to get up, and then you just slide down like that, like shooting ladders. It's super hard to climb the ladder. It takes a lot of time, and all you have to do is sit on your butt on the way down, and you're down. So it just seems like it's a lot easier for the bears to get momentum than it is to climb and scratch and claw and, you know, work our way up the market, guys. So other than that, maybe take a little time off. Maybe I'm going to take a little time off trading. I'm not going to take time off videos because I kind of like it when I get like this because it's not I don't like it when I'm mad, like just screaming and pissed off. But when I really truly feel a way about something that isn't like super negative, like this is kind of negative because of the price, but it's more of sticking up for all of our well-being that kind of has me where I'm at, right? And I just have everybody's best interest at heart. So when we go down like this and we lose this level, I kind of feel like I let you guys down, even though it's not my fault. But like I'm showing you, yeah, we're going, guys. Things are going good. And then all of that gets broken. You know, I kind of feel like I let you guys down because I'm like, yes, it's getting better. I'm showing them, look, you know, this pattern might work. This inverse head and shoulders, man, we're going to be good. You know, it's going to help the channel. It's going to help my people. You know, it's going to help everything. And then, so that's why it's so disheartening. If you want to know, that's probably why I was so adamant and like so what do you even want to call it, passionate about this. I don't make videos like this very often that are like super like, you know, but I think it had to do with Coinbase and then this happening, and I wasn't going to do a live stream today, but yeah. So I do want to talk to you guys before I leave though and see how you're doing, if you're as pissed off as I am about it or not. But you two suck. You suck. Don't you ever put that in my chat again. No, I hate spammers. See, when I spam chats, the only way I've ever spammed anyone's chat is like, hey, I made a video like that. Like, I don't put links. I mean, they're just some people. And I didn't even know that etiquette was wrong in the beginning, that you're not really supposed to promote your video in other people's chat unless you provide value to that chat, right? So, okay, I need to get in here and kick these guys out. All right, where's that video? Provide value to that chat, right? Remove. Okay. I wonder where all my normal people are at. If you guys are here, go ahead and say hi. Tim had his laptop broken. Tim Nguyen, one of my moderators, he got his laptop broken. So I didn't know him. He's a youngster. He's only 16 years old. So his dad got mad at him, I guess. So I don't know. I didn't even know that. You're 16? I didn't know my moderator was 16. I mean, I guess that's old enough to be a moderator. I probably wouldn't have said, no, you can't be my moderator. You're only 16. But you never know. Yeah, guys. So I guess there isn't any chats right now. All my normal people, like my inner council, they're all busy right now or, you know, doing stuff. So this is kind of just us new people and these spammers over here. So I think that's going to be all we have for the show tonight. Tomorrow we are going to do a live stream at 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. So definitely be on for those. I might start doing live streams just Monday through Friday. And then just do my uploads on the weekends. Cause I don't think I think if I get a good schedule going throughout the week, like 11 a.m., 6 p.m., I think that might be better for the channel. And then just do the weekends, like uploads. And if I want to do a live like this, I will, you know, but that the weekend's my resting point, you know? So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!